how to recover WhatsApp View Once photo. Unfortunately, WhatsApp View Once photos and videos can't be recovered after they have been viewed, as this feature is specially designed for one-time viewing to ensure privacy and security. However, there are the few things to consider if you are looking to recover such media. So if you have not opened the View Once photo or video in WhatsApp, you can either take a screenshot or screen recording, but you have to have the sender consent to respect the sender privacy. So you can use any screenshot or screen recording. But if you have already opened up the View Once photo or video, recovering is highly unlikely since WhatsApp deletes it immediately. But you can try the following steps. First, you can ask the sender to resend it, which is the simplest solution. Another one is to check a WhatsApp backup. If you have backup on your WhatsApp data before opening the View Once media, you can restore your backup to retrieve it. However, this only works if the media was unopened before the backup. So, you can uninstall the WhatsApp. After that, reinstall the WhatsApp and restore the backup. Check if the View Once message is still unopened. But on some Android devices, the media might temporarily get stored in device cache, so you can always check with the File Manager application, though which is very rare for View Once media. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.